I just finished my second live streaming lecture here with the Swedish acoustics course. And now I'm trying out a new thing, because when I did my course last year, it was a bit strange to do the lectures on YouTube. I didn't even see my students, not even once, when I did the lectures. And that felt so strange. So what I've done differently this time is that I start off with a little Zoom call where everyone is invited. Almost everyone is using the camera. I get the faces, we talk to them and just check out how they're doing. Do you have some feedback for me? What's good? What's can be done better and everything? And then we jump over to the live stream, because YouTube is great, excellent quality, but the interaction suffers. Oh, sorry. Whereas in Zoom you get direct communication straight, so it feels more like a normal classroom. But why not do both? I start up with a little warm up in Zoom, starting off with a little call, and then we do the live stream, and it works